Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Aimery extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, take the Aimery Wi-Fi extender out of the box and plug it into a wall power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS or has a 2 circular arrows icon. The button may be located on the front, side, or back of the router depending on the router model. Press the WPS button on your router. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking. This means the router is ready to connect to new devices. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Aimery extender. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds. Release the button. The extender LED will start blinking while it tries to connect to the router. Allow about 1 to 3 minutes for the setup process to finish. When the connection is successful, the signal/Wi-Fi LED becomes solid. Some models may show green or blue lights. The extender creates an extended Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is completed, unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Look for the extender's Wi-Fi network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Tap Connect. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.